So I ordered the Katool KT810 tire changer on March 15th, and today's the 24th, and it's already showed up. So here's the crate, and I will get that unpacked. So this is what it looks like when you pop the top and all the sides off. So there should be, I'll get it unwrapped and off the pallet. Okay, so I got it all unpacked. There's the main big arm, the main unit itself, all the little plastic caps for the wheel holder, a bunch of nuts and bolts in the little soap box, little soap bucket. And then there's the rest of the pieces, the big air hose, and then the bead breaker, pressure gauge, and then the center arm for holding the wheel. So yeah, it's time to put it all together. All right, there it is, all set up. Just had to put a few little things together. It comes pretty much all put together, but this pad here you got to stick on, this arm you got to stick on, and with this tire bead breaker, had to plug in the air hose over here, and had to connect the bead blaster here on the side of the cylinder here, and then the little air hose off the bottom of the machine comes into the pressure gauge up here. Yeah, you put your air to it, you plug it in, and you're good to go. You got the foot pedal controls at the bottom here. You can do your air when you're filling your tire, and then the next one is locked at the bottom. It's going to open up against your tire and stop up against your rim, and then you can push it back down to release it. It'll go all the way back in. Next one is for the arm here to come in and do the bead breaker, to push down. And then if your wheel is there, you'd be breaking the bead there. And you let it go. And then the last one's for the turntable. It turns your turntable. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise by lifting the pedal. So there, that's the way she goes. You can also adjust. Here's where you adjust how much you want the arm to come in over top of your tire. And the height here. You unlock the rim. There, it goes all the way to the top with the spring loaded. Or you can bring it down and then tie her in place again. There it is by locking that arm. I've taken the air out by removing the valve core out of the valve stem, and now we're gonna, and oh yeah, I pulled all the weights off, and we're gonna go ahead and break the bead now. Now the back side. So give her a little bit of lube front and back. There we go. Now generally you can slam the tire on over top to bottom one. There, pretty easy. And then bring this down. Just a 1/4 inch away from everything. And then you want to get it underneath that side and over top this lip. And then we just push it down. Get it low enough and it just slides right. There we go. So she's all in there. Get this guy out of the way. And we can loosen it. And this will get our Velcro back in and fill the tire and get the bead to seal the seat. There we go. Now, air hose on. Pop in place. There, bottom's in. Top's in. Alright. Oh, get some pressure in there and we're done. There we go. This Katool KT810 is an excellent machine. I just bought it yesterday and I used it, did a couple tires, and it works great. I really like it because I can do my own wheels when I want, and I don't have to be worried about everybody else getting their tires, going to the shop and trying to get their things done, you know, in the spring and fall when everybody else is in line and waiting. So also I got so many vehicles here. I drive 4 different vehicles, 4 motorcycles. I got 3 different trailers outside. So I got a lot of wheels that I have to do. And it just lets me do them when I want and as much as I want. Another thing is, you know, you got friends, and as soon as they find out you got the unit, they're going to be asking you. But I mean, you can charge them a little bit and get a little bit of your money back. And if you also wanted, you can, I suppose, advertise and make a little side business out of it on your weekends or whatever, or evenings. The other thing is, there's no sense in my mind having your wheel changer machine and not having the wheel balancing machine, because then you're still up to the same problem of having to go to the shop to get your wheels balanced. So my next project is going to be uncrating this wheel balancer and putting it together and testing it out. So more videos to come.